Welcome to David Susilo Unscripted. Let's get to it. I own nearly 3,000 CDs. At least half of them are not available on Apple Music or any music server whatsoever. In the world where there's no more CD player inside the car, what should I do? I buy a portable CD player that can be connected via USB to the car. It is sluggish, it's thick, it's ugly, but it works. Now that retail therapy kicks in, I bought a very similar thing, but it's from the company named Monodeal. And yes, it comes with an instruction manual. It also comes with a whole bunch of accessories, such as USB-C adapter, 4 USB connection, a 3.5mm male-to-male analog cable just in case your car has 3.5mm stereo input, a remote control, and even an extension USB cable. This way, you have everything complete for any type of connections you may need for your car. I tested this unit using a Volvo XC40, Volkswagen Taos, Toyota Camry, Mercedes GLA 250, and Audi Q3. They all work very well, very responsive, no hiccup whatsoever. Everything is perfect. The CD player looks very thin. It's actually only half the thickness of the old CD player. And the top loading will ensure that there's no scratch created by the slot loading of my old CD player. The only negative from this player is that the lack of Bluetooth connection. Yes, I know Bluetooth is compressed, but it's nice to have that option, don't you think? I'm going to put the purchase link in the description down below. No, I don't get money from any sales. Share your thoughts in the comments down below. Thank you very much for watching, and goodbye.